Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic 27-2K OLED gaming monitor. So friend, ViewSonic has announced the gaming display in the market, the 27-inch 2K OLED model XG272-2K OLED, and the monitor is priced at around $899.99 and it is designed to cater to needs of gaming enthusiasts seeking high quality visual experience. And friend, it features a high refresh rate of 240 Hz, aimed at providing an ultra smooth gaming experience by significantly reducing motion blur and ghosting. The monitor boasts a rapid response time of 0.02 milliseconds, enhancing the display of fast-moving images and contributing to a more immersive gaming session. With a resolution of 2560 by 1440 QHD, the monitor offers detailed and sharp visuals. It supports a high contrast ratio of 1,50,000 Gem1 and peak brightness of 450 cadmium per meter square, ensuring vivid colors and deep blacks. The wide viewing angle of 178 both horizontally and vertically allow for flexible viewing positivity without compromising imaging quality. The wide viewing angle of 178 both horizontally and vertically allow for flexible viewing position without compromising image quality. And friend, it is equipped with an array of connectivity options including two HDMI 2.1 port, two DisplayPort connection, one 3.5 audio jack, 3 USB Type A port, 1 USB Type B port, and 1 USB Type C port. The wide range of interface ensure compatibility with a variety of gaming setups and devices, and additionally, the monitor features the ELITE RGB Lighting System on its black panel, offering customizable lighting to enhance the gaming atmosphere. And friend, the monitor's design is characterized by a clean, pure white aesthetic, and it includes a stand with adjustable RGB lighting. And friend, the stand provides ergonomic adjustment including a swivel range of -20 to 20 mm, pivot capability of 90° to the left and right, and the tilt range from 5° forward to 20° backward. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Yeah, $3,099.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.